Okay, welcome back guys to episode 4 of the pool deck table build, the final episode in this series. And in this episode, I will go through and explain the final finishing of the table and then reveal the final product as well. So by this stage, I had managed to achieve perfect spacing between all of the slats along the entire span of the 4.7 metre long table, and then had screwed them all down and had filled any small gaps with some wood filler. And now it was time just to go along with the orbital sander once the filler was dry and just sand off any of the excess and any lumps and bumps that would be there to create a seamless transition between the slats and the table frame itself. As with pretty much all jobs, preparation is always important throughout all the stages, and that allows for a great finish at the end. So spending time now on the sanding and getting it perfect would make for a great paint finish once the table was complete. And here is the final result following all of the sanding. Now it's ready for a last undercoat and perhaps 2 top coats, and just then you might have got a glimpse of the little dowel joins with the pegs into the mortise and tenon joint for the centre legs across the 4.7 metre span. So I actually just realised I never got any footage of the assembly of this table frame, so apologies for that, but I'm sure you get the idea of how it all went together in the end. And there you have it guys, this is the final product. The table is all complete. So a few specs about the table. It's 4.7 metres long, as I've probably mentioned, 1.2 metres wide and about 700 high. And the intention would be to be able to seat a maximum of 14 people comfortably, which I think it well and truly would achieve. So to close the final episode out of this series, I'd just like to say thanks for watching. If you missed any of the previous episodes, they are available on my channel, so feel free to go and check those out. And while we're on the subject of my channel, don't forget to tap the notification bell to receive all the future updates for my carpentry related stuff. Otherwise, thank you again for the support everyone, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.